Hello friends from Calexico, California, Mexicali, and El Centro, California. My name is Miguel Castillo, and I would like to invite you to my upcoming workshop titled The Medicine of the Future. This workshop will take place on June 1st and 2nd in Calexico, California. In this workshop, we will cover much of the information and many of the teachings taught by the science of epigenetics and natural medicine. This workshop will be packed with information about methods that can be used to revert many of the illnesses that attack humanity today. Things like inflammation, autoimmune diseases, diabetes, hypertension, heart problems, etc. will be covered in this workshop. I will present many of the teachings and the methods that I myself followed to become the first case in the world of instantaneous remission of multiple sclerosis. So if it excites you to finally take control of your health, I invite you to join us in this workshop that again will take place in Calexico, California on June 1st and 2nd. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting each and every single one of you. This is Miguel Castillo, and I will see you very soon.